Hi guys, I'm back again with a tile, and I want to do another one of those pretty ones that we did before. I'm going to show you real quick because I can't do it too much, it's still wet. This one, I'm going to do another one like that just because I really liked it. The bottom though is going to be that sort of Prussian blue instead of black. So I don't have a lot of that, so I don't know why I had the black over there. I don't know, I hate to use all that for just this. We're going to do it anyway. Oops. Not paying attention to where I'm going. Let's move that over there. Let's move that over. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to do a little bit up here too, because I really liked the way that turned out with the black. Now this is very thick. I usually would prefer it to be thinner, obviously. For a Dutch pour type thing, it works better if it's thinner, but this should be fine. It's not too bad. Whoops. Actually, with these colors that I've created, they're almost like color shift colors. Because if you look at them one way, you can kind of see a hint of one color, and you look at them another way, you can kind of see a hint of the other color that I mixed in there. They're really quite gorgeous in person. I wish you guys could really see them as I do, because you'd probably appreciate them a little more. Probably even want some of your own. So like I said, you know, if you guys are interested in me creating these pink colors for you, let me know. I think it would be cool to have my own line of paints. But I'd have to have enough interest where it would be, you know, financially feasible. I'm just going to pour along this line here. Not touch that. I don't want that in my white. Oops, about did it right there. There we go. Let's turn that a little bit. Hopefully it's not throwing my gosh, what am I trying to say here? Whoops, got a spot of white in there. That's okay, won't matter. Not throwing my camera off focus. Thank you, brain, for finally coming to the rescue. Alright, so then we're going to add some colors. I'm just going to pour them this time and hopefully get a nice sort of go, and then maybe some of this, whatever this is. It's almost a copper, but it's not quite copper. Trying to decide if I want any other colors in there. Don't really know. Nope, I think we'll leave it like this. Okay, get our little toy here. There we go. A little spot in the middle is not cooperating. Sorry about that. That's my washing machine draining into the sink drain. Okay, I think that's about done. I think I'm just sort of looking around at all the edges. I sort of needed a, there we go, a little pick-me-up. Okay, I do believe. With that one. I don't like it when you see the really solid colors still there. There we go. That's better. And this one needs to come out a little bit more. There. I believe that one is done. Well, you still, this color in here looks way too orange on the screen. It's not that orange, it's more of a rustic copper. I love it where that color all melts into the white. Alright guys, well, nice short video for you, under 10 minutes. Pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you for supporting my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And wherever you are on the planet, I hope you're having a lovely, lovely day, and you're taking care of each other and happy and healthy. Alright, see you later, bye.